What if I told you the secret to glowing skin, fewer wrinkles, and healthier joints isn't in a magic cream, but already in your kitchen? According to Dr. David Sinclair, professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School, aging is not inevitable. It's a disease, and like most diseases, it can be treated. In today's video, we'll explore how collagen plays a powerful role in slowing that clock through real foods, real science, and real stories. Stay with me till the end. This might just change how you age. Before we dive into the science and complexities of aging, let's begin with something more practical. The top 6 collagen-rich foods that have changed lives. From my own patients to published medical research, these foods aren't fads. They're evidence-based and time-tested. Top 6 collagen-rich foods. 1. Gelatin. Gelatin is one of the most overlooked yet powerful natural sources of collagen support. A 2015 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that consuming gelatin regularly can improve skin elasticity and moisture retention. This effect is largely due to gelatin's high concentration of glycine and proline, 2 amino acids your body needs to create and maintain healthy collagen structures. Unlike many supplements on the market, gelatin is derived from animal connective tissues and retains many of the natural compounds needed for skin regeneration. Barbara, a 67-year-old retired schoolteacher from Minnesota, is a real-life example of how simple dietary changes can produce visible results. For 6 months, she stirred a teaspoon of plain gelatin into her morning tea. Initially, she hoped it might ease her joint discomfort, but the benefits surprised her. Her knee pain reduced significantly, and her skin began to feel more hydrated and smooth. She didn't use expensive creams or undergo any cosmetic procedures. Instead, she said she simply nourished her body from the inside out. For best results, choose grass-fed or organic gelatin and incorporate it daily. It dissolves easily in hot beverages, soups, or homemade fruit gummies, making it both convenient and effective. 2. Bone broth. Bone broth is often called liquid gold for a reason. A 2019 article published in the journal Nutrients confirmed that bone broth is rich in hydrolyzed collagen, chondroitin sulfate, and hyaluronic acid, 3 powerful compounds that help maintain healthy joints and improve skin hydration and elasticity. These nutrients are released from animal bones and connective tissues during long, slow simmering, making bone broth a nutrient-dense, natural solution for aging-related issues. Take Carol, a 62-year-old retired librarian who struggled with joint stiffness that made everyday movement difficult. Instead of reaching for medication, she followed my suggestion to replace her morning coffee with a warm cup of homemade bone broth twice a week. Within just 2 months, Carol noticed a dramatic improvement in her mobility. She felt less stiff in the mornings and more energetic overall. Inspired by the results, she began brewing her own broth using leftover chicken bones, carrots, onions, herbs, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to help extract minerals. To make your own healing broth, simmer bones for at least 12 hours with vegetables and herbs. Strain and store the liquid. Enjoy it warm as a drink or use it as the base for soups and stews. 3. Egg whites. Egg whites are among the most accessible and affordable sources of proline, a key amino acid that plays a central role in collagen synthesis. According to a 2018 study published in Dermatoendocrinology, proline is necessary for forming the triple helix structure of collagen, which gives skin its strength and elasticity. Unlike many supplements, egg whites provide this nutrient in a form the body can absorb and use efficiently. Teresa, a 59-year-old retired accountant, was initially doubtful. She joked, "How can something as simple as eggs smooth out crow's feet?" But she committed to trying it, adding 2 egg whites to her breakfast daily, sometimes in an omelet, sometimes blended into a protein pancake. Within a month, she noticed her skin texture felt smoother and looked more vibrant. The fine lines around her eyes appeared softer, and she felt more confident without makeup. What seemed like a minor dietary shift made a visible difference in her skin. For the best results, use organic, pasture-raised eggs, which tend to be richer in nutrients. Egg whites can be cooked in a variety of ways and easily added to most breakfasts. It's a simple and natural habit that supports your skin from the inside out. 4. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful ingredient. It's also a powerful collagen preserver. Research from the University of Oregon highlights that garlic is rich in sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, which support collagen integrity and help prevent its breakdown over time. Sulfur is essential in forming and stabilizing collagen fibers, making garlic a natural ally in maintaining youthful skin and strong connective tissues. Helen, a 65-year-old avid gardener, never bought supplements or used fancy skincare products. Instead, she trusted what came from her backyard and kitchen. Every day, she sautéed fresh garlic with olive oil and leafy greens. Her skin had a glow that friends half her age envied, and her hands, despite years of gardening, remained strong and smooth. She often said, "I don't need a serum when I've got garlic and spinach." To get the full benefits, use 2 to 3 cloves of garlic daily. Crush or chop it and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This activates allicin, the sulfur compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Add it to stir-fries, soups, or roasted vegetables. It's a simple daily habit that nourishes your skin, joints, and heart all at once. 5. Spirulina. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense blue-green algae often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. A 2020 study published in the journal Marine Drugs revealed that spirulina contains a potent combination of glycine, proline, and copper, all vital components for collagen synthesis and stabilization. Glycine and proline are amino acids needed to build the collagen structure, while copper plays a crucial role in collagen cross-linking, which maintains skin firmness and elasticity. Joyce, a 61-year-old retired nurse, was initially hesitant about trying spirulina. The green color and ocean-like scent made her skeptical. However, she began adding just half a teaspoon to her morning citrus smoothie. Within weeks, she noticed her nails were no longer brittle, her hair felt thicker, and her skin looked less dull. "It's a little weird at first," she admitted, "but it works." For those trying spirulina for the first time, start with small amounts, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon daily. Blend it with citrus fruits like oranges or pineapple to mask the marine flavor. Look for high-quality organic spirulina powder from reputable sources. It's an easy way to fortify your collagen naturally while also benefiting from its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they are packed with zinc, a mineral critical for collagen production and skin repair. A 2017 paper in the journal Biomolecules confirmed that zinc acts as a cofactor for enzymes that stabilize and form collagen fibers. Without adequate zinc, your body struggles to maintain healthy skin structure and recover from damage. Nancy, a 64-year-old avid runner, had dealt with dry skin and slow wound healing for years. After learning about zinc's role in skin regeneration, I suggested she begin adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to her daily meals. She sprinkled them on salads, blended them into her oatmeal, and even added them to trail mix. 3 months later, her dermatologist was surprised by the marked improvement in her skin's hydration and texture. Her recovery time from scrapes and blisters also noticeably shortened. To incorporate pumpkin seeds into your routine, lightly roast raw seeds with sea salt or spices for flavor. They make an excellent topping for yogurt, salads, or even soups. Just a 1/4 cup can provide nearly half of your daily zinc needs, making it a simple and delicious step toward healthier, more resilient skin. What is collagen and why it matters? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body and serves as the primary structural component in skin, bones, tendons, and even the gut lining. Its unique triple helix structure, as noted by Dr. Keith Barr, a professor of molecular exercise physiology at UC Davis, provides remarkable strength and elasticity to tissues. This structure is what gives skin its firmness, joints their flexibility, and connective tissues their resilience. Unfortunately, collagen production starts to decline naturally with age. Studies show that after the age of 20, we produce about 1% less collagen each year, and by the time we reach 40, we may have lost up to 20% of our natural collagen stores. This decline leads to visible signs of aging, wrinkles, sagging skin, thinning hair, and brittle nails, as well as less visible but equally important effects like joint pain and reduced gut barrier function. The good news is that collagen loss isn't necessarily permanent. Lifestyle choices, particularly diet and nutrient intake, can significantly influence how rapidly or slowly this decline progresses. Nutrients like glycine, proline, vitamin C, zinc, and copper all play key roles in collagen production, making it possible to support the body's natural ability to rebuild and repair collagen from within. Why collagen declines with age? The natural aging process is only one part of the collagen loss equation. Environmental and lifestyle factors play an even greater role. According to the British Journal of Dermatology, UV radiation is among the most damaging external factors, breaking down collagen fibers and triggering inflammation. Smoking has a similar effect by generating free radicals that degrade collagen and limit blood supply to skin cells. High sugar intake is another collagen destroyer. Through a process called glycation, sugar molecules bind to collagen and elastin, making these proteins stiff and brittle. Chronic stress also contributes by raising cortisol levels, which may suppress the genes involved in collagen production. Hormonal changes, especially during menopause, further accelerate collagen decline. Estrogen helps maintain skin thickness and moisture, and when levels drop, skin can become drier and more prone to wrinkling. Dr. Whitney Bowe, a well-known dermatologist and researcher, summarizes it best. It's not just about getting older. It's about how you live. This means that daily choices, sun protection, stress management, avoiding smoking, and eating a collagen-friendly diet can all help reduce the rate of collagen breakdown. Collagen supplements versus real food. The popularity of collagen powders, pills, and drinks has soared in recent years. A 2021 meta-analysis published in the International Journal of Dermatology found that hydrolyzed collagen supplements offered modest but measurable improvements in skin elasticity and hydration. However, the research also noted a significant caveat. The results were far better when participants consumed collagen alongside a nutrient-dense diet. This is because real, whole foods not only supply the collagen itself, but also the cofactors like vitamin C, zinc, and copper, needed to process and integrate collagen into body tissues. Without these, supplementation alone may offer limited benefits. Dr. Mark Hyman of Cleveland Clinic emphasizes this point. You can't out-supplement a poor diet. In clinical practice, the best outcomes come from combining smart supplementation with foods that naturally support the collagen-building process, such as eggs, bone broth, and leafy greens. One of the most common misconceptions is that vegan collagen is the same as animal-derived collagen. The truth is, collagen is a protein found exclusively in animals. So what do vegan collagen products contain? Typically, they're made from plant-based ingredients like silica, amino acids, and vitamins that help stimulate your body's own collagen production, but they are not collagen themselves. Another myth involves topical collagen creams. While these may offer temporary moisturizing benefits, they don't actually replenish collagen in the deeper layers of the skin. As reported in dermatologic therapy, collagen molecules are too large to penetrate the skin barrier effectively. That means applying it topically does little for structural skin support. To truly boost collagen where it matters, within the dermis, nutrition is far more effective. Eating foods rich in glycine, proline, and essential cofactors feeds the fibroblast cells responsible for collagen synthesis. A food-first approach not only supports your skin, but also strengthens joints, bones, and gut health. Benefits a cream can't deliver. Beyond the top 6 collagen-rich foods, several essential nutrients play key roles in supporting your body's collagen-building capacity. One of the most critical is vitamin C. This antioxidant is necessary for converting procollagen into stable collagen fibers, a process crucial for skin firmness and wound healing. You can find vitamin C abundantly in fruits like oranges, strawberries, and vegetables like bell peppers. Copper is another vital mineral. It supports the formation of cross-links in collagen, giving the protein its strength and elasticity. Cashews, sunflower seeds, and even dark chocolate are excellent sources of copper. Zinc, a trace mineral, is perhaps the most underrated of them all. It not only assists in collagen production, but also helps repair damaged skin and maintain the skin barrier. Zinc is widely available in pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. According to a 2022 study in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition, it's the synergy of these nutrients, not just individual intake, that truly optimizes collagen regeneration. That's why a diverse, whole food diet is more effective than isolated supplements. When these vitamins and minerals work together, they fuel your fibroblasts, the cells responsible for creating new collagen, and help restore skin from the inside out. Helen, age 62, was tired of feeling stiff, tired, and self-conscious about her appearance. When she first visited my clinic, she complained of aching joints, dull skin, and thinning hair. She wasn't interested in pills or expensive serums. "I want to fix the inside," she said. Together, we created a food-first protocol built around natural collagen boosters. She began by sautéing garlic daily, drinking homemade bone broth 4 times a week, and adding pumpkin seeds to her daily salad. She also cut back on processed sugar and began sleeping better. By the end of month 3, her joint pain had noticeably decreased. Her nails stopped peeling, and her skin had a glow her friends couldn't ignore. By month 5, someone at church asked if she'd gotten cosmetic injections. She laughed and said, "Nope, just change how I eat." Helen's story is a reminder that change doesn't require prescriptions or procedures. It requires consistency, the right knowledge, and real food. That's where transformation begins. Aging is not your enemy. It's your body's natural rhythm. But how you age is, in many ways, up to you. Your skin, joints, and energy levels are reflections of your internal biology. And while we can't turn back the clock, we can certainly slow its pace. Dr. David Sinclair of Harvard Medical School once said, "Aging is a condition, and conditions can be managed." This idea changes everything. Rather than fearing the mirror, you can learn to support your body with the tools it truly needs: nutrient-dense foods, smart habits, and consistent care. So instead of fighting aging with quick fixes and miracle creams, choose to nourish your body deeply and daily. Feed your skin from within. Strengthen your joints, smooth your skin, and boost your confidence with every bite. If this message resonates with you, consider sharing it with a friend who's grown tired of empty promises. Let's age with purpose, not panic. Because true beauty starts where no cream can reach, beneath the surface.